Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a delicious and homey dish called stir-fried shredded pork with tofu strips. Juicy strips of pork, perfectly coated in rich, savory sauce, paired with chewy tofu strips that soaks up every drop of flavor. This is seasoned pressed tofu. Slice it into strips, not too thin, just enough for a good bite. Next, slice up some pork. Now, let's marinate the pork. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, half a tablespoon of cooking wine, and half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Give it a good mix to let the flavors sink in. Then half a tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch works best here since potato starch can get too sticky when stir-fried. Lastly, drizzle a little oil on top to seal in the moisture. Slice up some green and red peppers for color, and prepare a bit of minced garlic and chop the scallions. Okay, let's get cooking. Boil some water, and once it comes to a boil, drop in the tofu strips. Let it come back to a boil. Then take them out. This quick blanching gives the tofu a firmer texture. It's chewy, not dry. Heat some oil in the wok and add in the pork. Don't stir it right away. Wait a couple of seconds so it won't stick. Stir fry just until it changes the color. Don't overcook or it will turn tough. Leave a bit of oil in the wok. Toss in the garlic and the scallions. Stir fry until fragrant. Add the green and red peppers and stir fry until they release their aroma. Now add in the tofu and the pork. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Stir over medium-high heat until it all smells amazing. Drizzle a little bit of water along the edge. It keeps the dish from getting too dry. Now add 1 teaspoon each of salt, MSG, and sugar. Give it all a good toss. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch slurry to lightly thicken the sauce. Just before serving, add 1 tablespoon of black vinegar and a dash of sesame oil. Stir everything one last time. Smells incredible. Okay, it's all done. Look how glossy and beautiful that looks. The sauce wraps around every piece like a warm hug. Alright, let me have a taste for you. That sauce clings to every bite. The pork is unbelievably tender. And the tofu? So chewy and flavorful. It soaked up all that deliciousness. Seriously, I haven't met anyone who doesn't love this dish. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's super budget friendly. Try it at your home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.